Setting up the mics. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Madhuri's Dance Studio, and in today's video we are going to see something related to the theory. And before I start, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos to your friends, family, relatives, those who are interested to learn Bharatanatyam or maybe learn online Bharatanatyam. Anything is fine. So let's start with the video. So today's topic is Angas, Upangas and Pratyangas. So you might be knowing that a dancer uses a different limbs, a different uh, parts of the body for showing a different kind of gesture or movements of the body. Okay, so here somewhere related to that, today's topic is Angas, Upangas and Pratyangas. So, what are the Angas, Upangas, and Pratyangas? So, these are nothing but the parts of your body which are known as limbs. Okay, so according to Natya Shastra, Bharatamuni has divided it accordingly, the parts of the bodies in these three parts, that is Angas, Upangas, and Pratyangas. So let's see what are Angas, what are Upangas, and Pratyangas. And under this point, which all different subpoints comes. Okay, so like first of all, Angas. So Angas are nothing but your major limbs. So major limbs are, there are six types of major limbs. Okay, the six type of your major limbs which we uh, usually use during the dance, that are, I'll be saying both the names, two different names, one in English and the other one in Sanskrit, so that you can relate those names accordingly. Okay, so there are six major parts of your body, six major parts of the body, and in that you have sub major parts, like a smaller parts of the bodies also. So it's like major parts, then comes semi major parts, and then comes minor. Okay, so in this way the parts of the bodies are been divided, which are divided by the Bharata Muni in the book Natya Shastra. Okay, so mainly we use these parts of the body in Angika Abhinaya. Okay, where we show different kinds of expressions or different movements of the body which are done. So there we use this, which is also known as Angika Abhinaya, where we use different parts of our bodies, that is Angas, Upangas and Pratyangas. Okay, so there are, as I said, there are six major parts of the bodies which is known as Anga. Okay, so let's see which are those six major parts of the body. So there are six major parts of the body which encompasses the smaller parts of the limbs in it. They are called Angas. Okay, so the first one is Shira. Shira is nothing but your head. Second comes Kati. Kati is the west. Then Parshva, side. Vaksha, chest. Okay, so Vaksha is a chest, Hasta is the hand, and Pada is the legs. So these are the six major limbs which are known as Angas in Bharatanatyam. Okay, so let's see what are Upangas. The Natya Shastra, the sage Bharatamuni in the Natya Shastra also says, he has also given a different Vedas into it, like Angas, different Vedas like Shiro Veda, Drishti Veda, Griva Veda. So there are different Vedas which are the movements of the body. Okay, the Shiro Veda, which is known as the head movements, while the Drishti Veda is known as the eye movements. Griva Veda is the neck movements. Okay, so you can also find those different Vedas which are told by the sage Bharata Muni in the book Nati Shastra. Okay, so each Anga has its own Vedas. Now, what are the Upangas? So Upangas are nothing but the semi-major limbs, as I said. So there are also six semi-major limbs, according to the book Natya Shastra, written by Bharata Muni. Okay, so the parts of the body that are smaller than the angas are called upangas. Okay, so there are six what we say semi major limbs that are upangas. So the first one is netra. Netra is eyes. Second come nasika. Nasika is nose. Next kapola, that is chest. Bruha, eyebrows. And chibuka, cheeks. And adhara, that is lower lips. So these are the six minor not sorry, six semi-major limbs which are known as the upangas. Okay. So the third is pratyanga. Pratyanga is nothing but the minor limbs. So what are minor limbs? So minor limbs are pratyangas are the smallest part of the upangas. Okay, so they are the smallest part of the body, we can say, and that comes into the upangas. So every upanga constitute of several smaller pratyangas, we can say. So there are different pratyangas also, like for example netra. If you take in netra, you can find eyeball, eyelashes, edge of your eyes, okay, corners of your eyes. So if you say, if you take example of palm, fingertips comes into it, hand, okay, in the hand, palm is the one thing, fingers, fingernails. So these are all the smallest part of the body that comes into the pratyanga, okay, which is said same as like a we can also find this in the book Natya Shastra written by the sage Bharata Muni. Okay, as well as the upangas and angas and upangas, we also find out the different movements of them in the book Natya Shastra, which are known as the Vedas. So what are the uses of this? What are the uses of angas, upangas, and pratyanga? If we see, we use angas, upangas, and pratyanga in each and every step of our dance, because we do different kind of movements, different kind of steps, not only in the steps but also in the angika abhinaya, okay, where we show some expressions. Abhinaya part is coming. Okay, so in that part we use eyes, eye movements, we show different kind of emotions through our eyes. So all that small thing, not only in the dance but also in the angika abhinaya, we use this angas, upangas, and pratyangas. So many of them, very very rare people know about it, like except the dancers, the famous dancers, or the dancers who are in this field for from many years. Apart from that, this especially the students who are new learners, they should know about this thing. Okay, what are angas, upangas, and pratyanga? If you know about your parts of the major parts and semi major parts of your body, you will slowly understand where this are where the what are the uses of this, where we use it in the dance, so you can relate that accordingly. If you enjoyed my video, then please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for more such contents related to the dance. See you in the next video. Bye, take care.